Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, 28th of February 2018. So yesterday the pound moving lower once again as the US dollar index moved higher. We had some buying to begin with. There was quite a bit of buying actually. If you look down here, you can see how the market was driven up, but then hit weakness, and the rest was to the downside for the day. As I say, the dollar index moved higher. You can see this here. It reversed off the 61% retracement. This is obviously measured to the downside and back up, but it's now driven through and more or less a double top there. So if it's going to move lower, it's got to make a start, otherwise we're going to see the dollar moving back to the upside there. And in the daily chart, once again you can see the market coming down to the 76% retracement, which is just here, and stuck in this sideways range at the moment for the pound, trading between the two 76% retracements there. News for today, what have we got? Anything to write home about? No, absolutely nothing. I don't think the news will make a lot of difference. It hasn't for months now, but still worth having a look there just to see what's going on. And in the Dow for yesterday, and in the Dow, let's have a look, see what happened yesterday. Very choppy again to begin with. You can see the market there. 1 minute it's down, then it's up, then back down, down, rallies back up. Just very choppy, waiting for Powell. Well, Powell spoke at 1:30, so yeah, really mixed. Market didn't know what to make of what he had to say, but eventually it broke to the downside in the evening, and it's continued on overnight as well. A bit of a shakeout going on here, but you can see the buying coming in here with the green bars there, and the market now finding a bit of support. In the daily charts, that's 76% creating a major resistance and roadblock. If this market is going to make any attempt to move higher, it's got to move back up here, but it's starting to look a bit weak, as they say, and that's because the volume's dropping off as well. Certainly a downtrend there in the volume. Let me just put on the 20-bar average. I don't know why it's not on there. It's been missing for a while, but not noticed. There you go. And then you've got the 20-bar average as well. Market back above this at the moment, but let's see how long it lasts. They definitely are going to do their best to get the market back to the upside, but this 76% is going to be a major area for this market, no doubts about that, and especially, as I said earlier, with the low volume there. In the implied volatility, this also pointing in the direction that there's a problem, because this has increased from 13 to 15. Again, the option sellers are starting to obviously doubt this move back towards the upside at the moment. And finally, in Bitcoin, if we just zoom in a bit, you can see there that the market's back above the resistance line that we had drawn in off the trend channel. The market moved down nicely, but has since started to move higher and has broken out there at this time and started a new trend there towards the upside as well. So we'll see how this fares today as well, but certainly coming back after all of the fun and whatever of the 60 to 70% pullback that we saw after Christmas there. So not a lot else to report. The market making some decent moves, that's for sure, and it's just a matter of hopefully the volatility will remain as it is at the moment, because it's nice and steady and not too whipsaw, apart from the first part of the Dow session, of course. Right, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.